In this video, we are going to check how to create a web page that will print a factorial of a number. So first I have included a comment just to give you the idea this is a factorial program. Then in a body tag, we started with the script tag with the help of which we can write a JavaScript code within the HTML page. Then in JavaScript, we can write a single line comment using double slash. So over here, I'm just specifying we are taking a prompt to take a user input and using parseInt, we are converting it to integer. Let number, we have declared a variable with a name as number is equal to, we are saying parseInt in bracket, prompt in bracket, we are asking user to enter a number. So whenever prompt get displayed up, it will display a text box where user can enter a number. Prompt is one of the type of pop-up box similar to alert. Alert will only display a message, whereas prompt can display a message whatever you will be writing over here, as well as is will display a text box where user can enter a number. But as user is entering the number, it will be in the text format, so we are converting it to integer using parseInt, and we are storing it in a number variable. So we have a number over here, whatever user will be entering in the text box. Then we have declared one more variable as result, initial value of it as 1. Then we started with a for loop. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to number, I plus plus. We are saying result is equal to result into I. Now what will happen because of this loop? Initial value of I will be 1. Suppose user has entered the number as 5. Then I will be less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. Now under the result, we are storing the actual value. So initial value of result is 1. So 1 into I value, that is 1. Initially 1 into 1, 1 will be stored under the result variable. Next time I value will be incremented to 2. So 1 into 2, that is 2 will be stored under the result variable. Next time I value will be 3. So 2 into 3, 6 will be stored under the result variable. Next time I value will be 4. So 6 into 4 will be stored under the result variable, which is 24. Next time I value will be 5 after increment. So 24 into 5 will get stored under the result variable, which is 120. Next I value will be 6, but 6 is not less than the number entered by the user. Number entered by the user we assumed as 5. So that's why we will come out of the loop. And document.write is the way to display the result on the screen. So we have just displayed what is there under the result variable. So we can display 120 as the output if the number entered by the user is 5. Suppose number entered by the user is 3. So how then the for loop will work? Initial value of I will be 1, result will be 1. So 1 into 1, result will be 1, which is get stored under the result variable. Next I value will be 2. So 1 into 2, that is 2 will be stored under the result variable. Next I value will be 3. So 2 into 3, 6 will be stored under the result variable. Next I value will be 4, but 4 is not less than the number entered by the user, which is 3. So we will come out of the loop and the factorial of 3 will get displayed as 6. So this is how the factorial program works. Let us check the execution. So first save the file save as with any name, extension will be .htm. So I have saving it under the download folder. Save as type will be all files. Save it. If it is already existing, replace it. Go to the folder where you have saved your file. So I have saved it under download folder. Right click, open with, you can open with the browser. So you can enter the number. Suppose I am entering the number 3. Then however loop will be working, it will be 1 into 1, then 1 into 2. Next time it will be 2 into 3. So that is 6. So that is how the loop will give the answer. Refresh the page and you can give the other number. Suppose the number entered as 5. How the loop will be working? 1 into 2 first. 2 will get stored, then 2 into 3, 6 will get stored, then 6 into 4, 24 will get stored. Next time it is 24 into 5. So 120 will get stored under the result variable, and at the end we are just displaying the result variable. This is what the prompt is. So you can see the result, that is because of the document.write, we can display the result on the document itself. This is a prompt where we are giving the number value for the program. Prompt will display a message as well as it will display a text box, whereas under alert we will have only a message without a text box. But as it is a text box, the name only suggests it will take the value in the string format or in the text format. We are entering number, but it is taking in the string format. So that's why we have used parseInt to convert it to the number. So this is a prompt where we are asking user to enter number. You can see the prompt, and this is the text box present under the prompt, but number will be in the text format. So we have converted it to integer, and number variable will be holding it. So that's how the factorial program works. It's a simple program using a for loop or using any of the loop. You can solve it. You can use for or you can use while loop in this. Thank you all of you.